In today's digital landscape, video content is king, and the demand for high-quality videos is skyrocketing. Whether you're a budding YouTuber, a social media enthusiast, or a professional looking to enhance your portfolio, having the right video editing software is crucial. In this video, we will explore the best free video editing software available in 2024, giving you the tools you need to create stunning videos without breaking the bank. You can expect to learn about various free options that cater to different skill levels, from beginners to more advanced users. We'll dive into the features that make these tools stand out, such as user-friendly interfaces, powerful editing capabilities, and compatibility with various operating systems. Choosing the right software can significantly impact the quality of your projects and your overall editing experience. With the growing demand for engaging video content across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, having access to effective editing tools is more important than ever. So, whether you're looking to create captivating vlogs, informative tutorials, or eye-catching promotional videos, stick around as we uncover the best free video editing software that can elevate your content creation game in 2024. Criteria for selection. When evaluating the best free video editing software, several key criteria come into play to ensure that users find the right fit for their needs. First and foremost, user-friendliness is essential, especially for beginners who may feel overwhelmed by complex interfaces. Software that offers intuitive navigation and straightforward controls allows new users to dive right in without a steep learning curve. Next, we look at the features available within the software. Robust editing tools, a variety of effects, and flexible export options are crucial for creating professional-looking videos. The ability to trim, cut, and merge clips seamlessly, along with access to filters, transitions, and text overlays, can significantly enhance the creative process. Additionally, having multiple export formats ensures that users can share their work across various platforms without hassle. Lastly, community support and available tutorials play a vital role in the overall user experience. Software that boasts an active user community and a wealth of tutorials can help users troubleshoot issues and learn new techniques. This support network can be invaluable, especially for those just starting their video editing journey. By considering these criteria, we can identify the best free video editing software that meets the diverse needs of creators in 2024. Top free video editing software. As we dive into the best free video editing software available in 2024, here are some standout options that cater to various editing needs and skill levels. First up is DaVinci Resolve, renowned for its professional-grade color correction and audio post-production capabilities. This software offers a comprehensive suite of editing tools, making it ideal for filmmakers and content creators alike. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, ensuring a wide reach for users. Next, we have HitFilm Express, which combines video editing and visual effects in one powerful package. With a user-friendly interface and a plethora of built-in effects, it's perfect for those looking to create dynamic videos. HitFilm Express is available on both Windows and macOS, making it accessible to a broad audience. Lastly, Lightworks stands out with its robust editing features and real-time effects. It supports multi-camera editing and offers a range of export options, including direct uploads to platforms like YouTube. Lightworks is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, providing flexibility for users across different systems. These three software options represent the best in free video editing tools for 2024, each bringing unique features to the table for aspiring and experienced editors alike. User experience and interface. When it comes to video editing software, user experience and interface play a crucial role in determining how effectively users can create their projects. DaVinci Resolve is often praised for its sleek and professional interface, which, while packed with features, can initially feel overwhelming for new users. However, many find that the intuitive layout and organized panels make navigation easier as they become familiar with the software. The learning curve is manageable, especially with the wealth of tutorials available online. HitFilm Express offers a more approachable interface, designed with beginners in mind. Users appreciate the drag-and-drop functionality and customizable workspace, allowing them to tailor the layout to their preferences. This flexibility enhances the editing experience, making it easier for newcomers to find the tools they need quickly. Lightworks also receives positive feedback for its user-friendly interface. Many users highlight the customizable keyboard shortcuts and layout options, which streamline the editing process. Testimonials often mention how quickly they adapted to the software, thanks to its logical design. Overall, each of these software options provides a unique user experience, balancing powerful features with accessibility. making them suitable for both novice and experienced editors. User reviews consistently emphasize the importance of a well-designed interface in enhancing their editing workflow. Advanced features. When it comes to free video editing software, advanced features can significantly elevate the editing experience and output quality. DaVinci Resolve is particularly renowned for its professional-grade color grading capabilities. Users can manipulate colors with precision, using its advanced color wheels and curves, making it a favorite among filmmakers. Additionally, its multi-track editing allows for seamless integration of multiple video and audio layers, enabling complex projects to come to life. HitFilm Express stands out with its unique visual effects tools, allowing users to create stunning cinematic effects without the need for additional software. Its composite shot feature enables users to layer videos and apply effects in a way that feels intuitive and powerful. The software also supports multi-track editing, making it easy to manage various elements of a project. Lightworks offers robust audio mixing capabilities, allowing users to fine-tune soundtracks and dialogue with precision. Its timeline is designed for efficiency, enabling quick adjustments and real-time playback. These advanced features demonstrate that users can achieve professional-grade editing without incurring costs. Each software provides tools that not only enhance creativity, but also empower users to produce high-quality content, making them ideal choices for aspiring editors and seasoned professionals alike. Limitations of free software. While free video editing software offers incredible value, it's essential to recognize the limitations that often accompany these tools. One common drawback is the presence of watermarks on exported videos. Many free versions, including those of popular software like HitFilm Express, will add a watermark to your final product, which can detract from the professional appearance of your work. Additionally, users may encounter limited export options, restricting the formats and resolutions available for their projects. For instance, some software may only allow exports in lower resolutions unless you upgrade to a paid version. This can be a significant limitation for creators aiming for high-quality content. Understanding these limitations is crucial before diving into a project. It's important to assess whether the free version meets your needs or if the restrictions will hinder your creative vision. For those who find themselves frequently bumping against these limitations, considering an upgrade to a paid version may be worthwhile. Paid versions typically offer enhanced features, additional export options, and the removal of watermarks, allowing for a more professional output. By weighing these factors, users can make informed decisions that align with their video editing goals. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the best free video editing software available in 2024, highlighting key options like DaVinci Resolve, HitFilm Express, and Lightworks. Each of these tools offers unique features that cater to different editing needs, from professional-grade color grading to intuitive visual effects and robust audio mixing capabilities. We discussed the importance of user experience and interface, noting how ease of navigation and customization can significantly enhance your editing workflow. We also addressed the limitations that come with free software, such as potential watermarks and restricted export options. Understanding these limitations is crucial for anyone looking to create high-quality video content. For those who find themselves needing more advanced features, considering an upgrade to a paid version may be beneficial. We encourage you to explore the software mentioned in this video and find the one that best suits your editing style and project requirements. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your creative journey. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated on more tips and reviews, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow creators. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights into the world of video editing. Thank you for watching.